Hello, this screencast is to show you how to link the observation document into your agenda and how to link other important collaborative documents into your agenda. In the folder that Jerry has shared with you, you will see all of the different phases of the CIR, and you'll see an agenda. So we're going to open the agenda. Now, one thing I'd recommend is to change it to the name of your school district, or the school, I'm sorry. So this is Anderson High School in Georgetown, right? So CIR agenda, Anderson High School. Okay, so each here are resource links, and what we want to do is turn these into links so that if I email this agenda to the team, they don't have to go anywhere but here, and they can click on it and it takes them to where they need to be. The most important link on here is the observation link, because this agenda is how they're going to get to that. So I'm going to do that one first. In your folder is going to be an observation form. Now it says Georgetown High School, but I'm going to change that to Anderson High School because that was a copy and we never changed the name. So that's Anderson High School. I'm also going to go up here and change this to Anderson High School. Okay. Now, if this is the editing version, so this is not something that we want anybody but you to touch. This is where you change the questions and create questions. What we want to do is get the version for people to enter information. So to do that, we click send, because we're sort of sending out the link because of a survey is why it's called send. That creates this link, and we click copy. Okay, it's copied to the clipboard, it's highlighted. If you want, you can right click and click copy just to make sure. Then we go back to our agenda. We highlight the word we want to link to. We click insert link here. Or you could right click and click link. Either one works. It'll pull up this. The text is what it says here that you highlighted. So you're going to paste the link right there. Critical, always test. Click on it, and now notice this is the actual form that people enter information into. So now when we email them this agenda for Anderson High School, they'll be entering that into the right information. Now I want to show you how to get these other pieces. We've typed in here the things that everyone needs access to. They need access to the actual Word version. So we go to during the visit, we find the data collection form, we find get shareable link, copy it, go back to the agenda, highlight it, and then paste it in. We highlight, click link, and paste it. So now this will take me to the Word version of the form. Okay. Next, interview docs. So I need to go back to during the visit, find the high school interview docs. Now, if I'm doing high school, I don't need middle school. So I'm just going to delete middle school, and I'm going to delete technical centers. High school. I'm going to, oops, that's clicked on the wrong thing. Sorry. I'm going to, I don't even need to open it. I opened it, but I don't even need to, right? I can just right click it, click get shareable link, copy that, Control C, go back to my agenda, paste it, link it, paste it in, and then check it. Awesome. Now, for this one, it's important that you make sure that all the people have editing rights. So down here, we need to enter in the name of anybody that we want to be able to type into here. Not the name, but the email address. It should be something linked to a Gmail. So if they have a Gmail in their district, that's fine. If it needs to be their personal Gmail, but you need to type that email that's linked to Gmail in here. And then you're also going to use this one, evidence, get shareable link. Copy it, go back to your agenda. That's the data synthesis form. Link it, apply. And now the last one is the debrief PowerPoint template. Copy it, highlight it, click link, paste it, apply. There you go. So now we are ready to go. Because this is a Google Doc, if you want to add or change, or let's say there's something you find online and there's a great resource, you can link it right in there. Or, because everybody has access to this folder, you can share it with them. What's important, though, is that I want to reemphasize, you don't want people trying to enter into this if it says questions and responses, because that's going to create a lot of headaches for you. This is where you will find the responses. This is where all the answers will go to the form. All the answers, I mean all of the bar graphs with all of the different percentages of who clicked what. All right, so now you should be able to create a nice hyperlinked agenda that you can conveniently send to everybody. Forgot one last thing, the whole folder. Let's say you want one easy way for everyone to get the folder. I can go to Anderson High School, get shareable link, highlight the folder, and oops, I forgot to do that. Link, apply. There you go. Beautiful. Link to CIR folder. So now all they have to do is click on that and boom, they're in your folder and they have access to everything. And you can put things in this folder for them to look at if you want as well. I hope this has been helpful.